Rebecca and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go ahead and show you or keep you along with me as I draw a really cool mural inside a MMA gym. The gym is called Tiger Dragon Miami, and I brought some apprentices with me today, Camila and Isa. They're students here at this MMA gym, so they're gonna be tagging along with me and learning how to paint a super cool mural in their own school. So don't forget to stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see what surprise I have and see how awesome it comes out. So whenever you're painting a mural, always remember the 4 P's, which is prep, prime, paint, and perfect. Okay, the 4 P's. Now, the first thing we do, of course, is prepping the area. So as you see here, we have kind of like plastic sheets on the floor, on the wall pad. We're just prepping the area, making sure that no paint falls anywhere. So that's super important. Of course, you always have some type of design with you, such as this. I'm not gonna show you everything. It's a little surprise at the end. So this helps me, this design helps me get an idea of like what exactly I'm painting. So after you do the prepping, then you do what's called the priming, which is what we're doing right now. Okay, we're priming the area. And I see as the dark, it's a super dark blue. So, and we're doing very bright colors on top. So we need to kind of kill it with the primer of whatever your choice is. And that helps kind of kill the blue. And when you put on the bright colors on top, it gives it more of a brighter effect. So that's what we call priming. Now for step 3, we do the fun part, which is painting. Okay, we prepped, we primed, and now we paint. We put the base color on. As you see here behind, we're placing down the orange color, really nice bright orange color. Now you can kind of guess what I'm painting, at least for this wall. So super important, and it just makes the color pop out when you paint on top of a primer. So